Assalamualaikum and hi to the viewers. I'm Hakimi bin Abdullah, will be the first presenter for this amazing presentation. Here is our new project, which is the name of our project is the low cost traffic light system. Before we go to our content, let me introduce you to our fellow members. The first one is Muhammad Hakimi bin Abdullah, which is me. And next is Hazwani Humaira binti Hairul Islam, Khairul Ikhwan bin Khairul Rizal, and lastly, Fazli Nadira binti Ramli. Next is our lecturer, or I will call as our advisor, which is Technologist Dr. Norihan binti Abdul Hamid. Dr. works at Faculty of Electronic and Computer Technology and Engineering, where it located at University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Doctor teach us the subject of BENC 2423 microprocessor technology. Now we go to our content. The first content is our block diagram. It's all started with the power supply. The power supply gives the electric current toward the mbed LPC 1768. mbed LPC 1768 is our brain for this project, where it gives a signal toward the LED as our output. Next is our flowchart. The flowchart starts by we set the count into 7, and it also produces the output as the red light will be turned on, and it does the loops. The loop starts by detecting the numbers subtract by 1, and it delay by 1 second, where we want to synchronize it to the reality life timer. Next, when it cut to count to 7, it goes to the next process, which is for the green light. It also uses the same process and method, which is we use loop until we get 0, and we actually goes into a yellow light. Yellow light also we give a 3 because as usual, yellow light is only for our ready. And next, after the yellow light, we go back to the first flowchart, which is the red light.
My name is Kariko Rizal and I will be doing the simulation in KL Microvision. So this is the overview of the program for the traffic light project. So when we build the project, we can see that there is no error happening. Now we can debug the project and we can look at the GPIO interface. When we run the program, the FIO set on the 24-bit is set, and after a few seconds, the 25th bit is set on the FIO set, and then after a few more seconds, the bit on 26 of FIO set will be set, as you can see here. Then after that, the 24 bit will be set again in on the FIO set. You can also see on the FIO dir that we set 34, 35, and 26 bit in order to make it become the output. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so next I will talk about this circuit. So the main objective of this project is to design a functional traffic light using the mbed LPC1768 microcontroller. Now this microcontroller serves as the brain of our circuits, controlling the sequencing of the traffic lights. So other components that we also use in our circuit are LEDs, which are red, yellow, and green. Now this represents the actual color of the traffic light in our real world. We also use resistors for each of the LEDs that are used to limit the current flowing through the LED, ensuring that they operate within their specified parameters. And lastly, we have wires and breadboards. Now, these are essential for connecting and organizing the components on the circuit. Now, the working principle of our traffic light system is straightforward. So the mbed LPC1768 is programmed to cycle through the different states of a typical traffic light, which are red, yellow, and green. That represents where the red light represents the stop signals for vehicles, the yellow represents the warning signal, and the green light represents the go signal.
Hi, I'm Azlin, and now I'm going to continue the last part of the presentation, which is advantage and limitation of design a traffic light system. Advantage a traffic light system. First, a traffic light control. The primary advantage of traffic light system is efficiency traffic control. It helps regulate the flow of vehicle at the intersections, reducing the likelihood of accident and improve the overall safety. Second, energy efficiency. LED technology is energy efficiency, making it suitable for long-term use in traffic light system. LED consume less power and traditional incandescents, but and have a longer lifespan, reducing maintenance costs. The last of the advantage of traffic light system is customization. mbed LPC1768 is a versatile microcontroller allowing for customization of the traffic light system. Developer can program different traffic light pattern, timing, and sequences based on a specific traffic requirement at the different time of the day. Limitation design a traffic light system. First, initial cost. The upfront cost of designing and implementing a system using mbed LPC1768 and LED may be higher than a traditional traffic light system. However, the long-term saving in energy and maintenance costs can offset the initial investment. Second, dependency on power supply. Like any electronic system, the traffic light system is dependent on a stable power supply. Power outage or disruption may impact the system functionally, necessitating backup of power solution. Lastly, limited visibility in harsh weather conditions. LED lights may have reduced visibility during harsh weather conditions, such as heavy rain or snow. Design consideration should be taken to address visibility issues in adverse weather.
And that is all from us, Group 6. Thanks for watching and have a good day.